Hello, dear kids. How are you? Nice to see you. This is your teacher, Mr. Robert Mendoza. And today I want to explain about predictions and plans using going to. Okay? So I have two examples here. Okay? Let's see. Example number one. I am going to study more. We use going to when we want to make predictions and plans about the future. Okay? I will stick it here. That's it. I am going to study more. Very good. Now also I can use the negative form, right? For the negative, we use not going to. So simple. So for example, in the number two sentence, it says, she is not going to play video games. So as you can see, this is so simple and so easy. I am giving you the example of a positive sentence. Okay, positive sentence, I am going to study more, and an example of negative sentence. She is not going to play video games, right? So something important here is that we use the verb be with this structure. For example, look at here. This is the verb be, okay? And look here, is. This is the verb be. Do you remember the verb be? I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Okay? So remember, when you want to make predictions and plans, just use the verb be, going to or not going to, and you are expressing future plans. Okay? So I have a good future plan for you. This week we are going to study English hard. Okay? So that's all for today. Goodbye. See you.